Ever felt your Hyundai Sonata turning uncomfortable the moment rain starts or wind noise takes over the cabin? Today we reveal the top 5 coolest rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2026 that completely change that experience. Welcome to my channel. Check links in description and upgrade your drive instantly. Product number 1. Polycarbonate Rain Guard Vent Visor for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2026. Most drivers don't realize how much a small gap in airflow can turn a quiet ride into constant wind noise and rain frustration. That's exactly where this tape-on window deflector for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2023 steps in with a surprisingly refined fix. The polycarbonate build feels solid, while the 304 stainless steel trim adds a clean, premium edge that blends with the car's natural lines. Rain stays out. Air circulates better. Windows can stay slightly open without that annoying drip inside the cabin. For anyone exploring best rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020-26, this setup solves a real daily annoyance rather than just looking decorative. It especially suits commuters and long-distance drivers who value quiet airflow during unpredictable weather. Compared to clip-on alternatives, this tape-on design holds more securely and reduces vibration noise, though installation demands careful alignment since removal isn't effortless. There's a noticeable shift after fitting it: less stress during rain drives, more control over cabin comfort. A simple upgrade that quietly changes how every journey feels, especially when storms suddenly show up on the road. Product number 2. Durable Rain Guards compatible with Sonata 2020 to 2024. Most Hyundai Sonata drivers don't realize how much rain intrusion quietly ruins daily comfort until the first heavy storm hits. That sudden fogging, wet window switches, and forced AC use changes every drive into frustration. The Clean Art and Channel Rain Guards step in with a clean, factory-like fit for Sonata 2020 to 2026 models. These original window deflectors slide inside the channel, giving a tighter seal compared to clip-on styles that loosen over time. For anyone searching for best rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020-26, this set focuses on durability first. The acrylic build feels solid, resisting cracks and wind noise even at highway speeds. Fresh air can flow during light rain without water sneaking inside. Compared to universal tape-on visors, these in-channel vent deflectors look more integrated but require careful installation alignment. Some users may find initial fitting slightly firm, yet that tight grip is what keeps them stable long-term. Ideal for commuters, ride-share drivers, and long-distance travelers who want a quieter, drier cabin experience. Once installed, rainy drives stop feeling like a compromise and start feeling controlled again. Product number 3. Goodyear Shatterproof Window Deflectors for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2026. One detail most Hyundai Sonata drivers only realize after months is how even a slight rain can ruin the cabin comfort instantly. Windows fog up. Fresh air becomes impossible. And that small frustration builds every single drive. The Goodyear Shatterproof in-channel window deflectors, G008122, step in like a quiet fix to that daily problem. They sit neatly inside the window channel, blending with the Sonata 2020 to 2026 body lines instead of sticking out awkwardly. With these rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020-26, you can finally crack the windows during rain without water sneaking in. Air flows naturally. Cabin stays cooler. Long drives feel less exhausting. Compared to cheaper clip-on visors, this in-channel design feels more integrated and less noisy at high speed. However, installation needs careful alignment, which may take a bit of patience. It's a solid pick for daily commuters, ride-share drivers, and anyone tired of stale, closed-up cabin air. Among the best rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020-26, this one focuses on durability rather than flashy looks. Once installed, the car starts feeling more livable in bad weather, and strangely more enjoyable even in light drizzle, as if every drive finally breathes easier than before. Product number 4. Window Visors Rain Guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2026. A surprising fact most Sonata owners discover too late: rain doesn't just fall outside the window, it quietly ruins the driving experience inside the cabin. That constant need to choose between fresh air or getting splashed becomes frustrating on daily commutes. The Window Visors Rain Guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2024 step in like a simple but clever shield. They redirect wind and rain so you can slightly open your windows even during light showers. No foggy glass. No suffocating heat buildup. Just controlled airflow. This upgrade fits naturally into the category of best rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020-26, especially for drivers who value comfort during unpredictable weather. Compared to universal clip-on visors, these molded vent shades sit more flush and reduce wind noise better, though installation alignment needs patience at first. Ideal for highway drivers, rideshare users, and anyone tired of stale AC air cycles. The downside is they don't fully eliminate heavy storm splashes, but they handle everyday rain situations well. It quietly turns stressful weather drives into calm, breathable journeys where control finally feels back in your hands. Product number 5. Extra durable rain guards fit for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2026. Most drivers don't realize how much a slightly open window during rain silently ruins the car's interior over time. That constant mix of water splash, wind noise, and foggy discomfort turns even short drives into frustration. These extra durable window deflectors for Hyundai Sonata 2020 to 2026 step in with a clean, precise and channel fit that feels factory designed. They don't just block rain, they let you keep fresh airflow without worrying about water sneaking inside. That small change transforms daily driving comfort in real situations like traffic jams or park ventilation. For anyone searching for best rain guards for Hyundai Sonata 2020-26, this AG0802 set solves the real-world issue of unpredictable weather and noisy wind intrusion. Compared to stick-on visors, these in-channel guards look sleeker and hold stronger, though installation requires careful alignment to sit perfectly. Ideal for commuters, rideshare drivers, and long-distance travelers who want a cleaner cabin experience without constant window anxiety. Cheaper clip-on options may loosen over time, but this set stays firm through heat, rain, and highway speed. Once installed, the quiet airflow feels like the car finally learned how to breathe properly through every season.